If you've got a CNC machine or you're thinking about getting into CNC, Freud is making your bit choices easier than ever. We're here at IWF 2016 in Freud's booth, and I'm here with Russell Cole. Russell, a lot of our viewers are thinking more seriously about CNC, and if they don't have a CNC machine, it's on their wish list of products to get one day. But Freud is doing some interesting things with CNC bits. Tell us more about it.
Well, Chris, we've gone out and researched the market and found the most popular applications that users are looking for when using these smaller CNC routers. And 70% of the applications are sign making, as well as furniture manufacturing, some small cutoffs, and even for instruments, as you see here.
Yeah. So there's a lot of CNC bits out on the market. How is Freud making it easier to make decisions about what bits to buy?
Well, what we've done is we created two sets initially, and what we're showing here, these are just readily very good general sets that can really cover a wide spectrum of applications, simplifying it for the users.
It looks like there's 8 bits in that set?
There's 8 bits in this set, and there's actually 8 bits in this other set, focusing on different sign manufacturing and furniture, just depending on what you're looking for.
Sure. Now, are these bit sets available now?
They are. We started shipping this week, so you can go on freudtools.com and actually find out where they're being offered.
Great. Now, Russell's also going to show us some new innovations in straight bits. Let's go take a look at those.
Let's go.
So all woodworkers have straight bits in their shop, carbide straight bits, but Freud is doing a couple of things differently with straight bits these days. Tell us more about it.
Well, that's all right, Chris. I mean, we talked about straight bits are the workhorse of the router bit category. We've essentially done two things. One is we've changed the carbide formulation, and we also allowed for the design to get more resharpening. So with the carbide formulation, I guess the simplest way to think about carbide is their spheres, right? So if you visualize the size of a softball, for example, a big piece of carbide, what's happening when you're cutting is the carbide breaks off in chunks. You get a big kind of ragged edge. So to counter that, what we've done is we actually reduced the size of these spheres by half. So think of maybe like a golf ball, for example.
Yeah.
So you get finer different levels of spheres, and when that carbide wears, you can maintain the sharpness of the edge much longer. So we're actually getting 2 times the life of a standard straight bit, so that's significance. The other element that we talked about is this eclipse design, which is the back of the tooth itself. And so this radius type of design allows for maximum resharpening. You can actually get double the amount of resharpening. So twice the life in cutting, and then twice the resharpenings. Makes for really extraordinary new router bit.
And Freud manufactures its own carbide, correct?
Great point. We are the only manufacturer to manufacture carbide specifically for the wood cutting applications such as router bits and saw blades.
Now, in terms of the new straight bits, is it a full range of straight bit diameters that feature the eclipse grind and the better carbide?
That's exactly right. There's up to 60 SKUs today. We're shipping 45 as we speak.
Great. So most are available now.
Most are available now.
Now, if our viewers would want to go find out more about your router bits, your CNC bits that we looked at, or your saw blades, all Freud products, what's your website?
freudtools.com is the easiest place. You can find out more about the product or where to buy.